Indus core group since its start in Manchester, one of the founder members, and mashallah, we find that the developments that we've seen over the last 7-8 years have been incredible, and the support of the community has been massive. I would like to say that most of the funding actually still comes from Pakistan, donors in Pakistan, but the developments of, as a result of funding from outside of Pakistan have been phenomenal also. As ثانیہ has just said, that it is cashless, it is paperless. There is no need for anyone to worry. Once you're in, you are a VIP. And the very important person for the Indus teams are the patients. The wonderful thing is that the care does not stop once the patient has come in and had their medication given to them. The care is right through. The aftercare is where patients often suffer illnesses and sometimes die because they don't have adequate aftercare. But Indus sees it through till the patient can walk out of the doors. We have online, we have all of the details online, how you can donate, how you can volunteer. The information is all online. You can Google Indus Hospitals Networks, and it has full information on there. Whichever hospital, whichever area you want to work in, you can tap it in there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.